Hi, my name is Albion Balazs from Phillips Chevrolet. This is George. He just purchased this beautiful 2013 Chevy Malibu. George, how was your experience today with us?
Wonderful again. I can't tell you how many cars I bought here beforehand. This is just one more in a string. I come all the way from Oak Brook, Illinois, and pass a half a dozen dealers just to come to Phillips in Frankfurt. It was wonderful.
Well, George, thank you very much for your business, and I hope you enjoy your vehicle.
Thank you. I'm sure I will.
Thank you.